Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Jaguar XF. I'm going to be installing a diffuser on the rear bumper, and the diffuser I'm using today is a universal one, so we're going to have to do some cutting to make some adjustments to make it fit on right, but I'm going to show you that step by step and also share the final results. So let's get started. Every bumper is going to have a different fitment and size, so please do your measurements, align it and see where it fits right, and do your cutouts from there. I've done so and I've used a circular saw to make all the cuts, and now it's ready to install. So since this is a glossy black finish, there's a protective cover in the front, so I'm going to peel that off, and there's also 3M double-sided tape on the back. I'm going to remove that, but I'm also going to be using flathead screws as the double-sided tape itself cannot hold the diffuser right in place. So I'm going to install a few flathead screws and I'll share with you my final results. And here are the final results. I'm really loving the look of it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video has helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.